party together. Please go down.
So cute. I could watch him all day. And now you can't. But first, you will be taken care of.
I want his educational style at me.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelier Tavon's private office.
These are rated tile flooring only. Once again, only in the center. Making sure to continue to move forward all the way. Now we go when it gets
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ow! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this train won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance, and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
exit to the back, stay together, or your target party separated throughout the tour.
I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
For clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Your seatbelt's gonna flip your left to your right. Make sure there's nothing between you. All right, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to your VIP tour. There is no flash photography, video recording allowed. Make sure we're holding on to loose items. That includes your hats, glasses, bags, cell phones, loved ones. Everyone have an uplifting time.
All right! Woo! My dear friends, this is the moment
Get back online. Yes, you got my walk, man.
Hey guys, ready to go?
Yes, all right here. Thanks, everybody. See ya. We are out of here. Thanks, guys.
Why are you thinking that? They managed nothing. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. They did not help us at all. Should be thanking me. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and get back as you